Welcome! Today I'll show you the e-commerce Smart Proposals Assistant, a clever little tool designed to make your personalized shopping experiences a breeze. In this video, we'll cover how it works, how to install the module, and why it is about to become your e-commerce platform's best friend. Smart Proposals Assistant is a part of the global AIA system built to analyze customer behavior and generate personalized product recommendations. It uses data like product views, product clicks, and purchases to match customer interests. Pretty smart, right? And it is about to get even smarter with machine learning. Soon, it will predict purchases and group customers by their interests. So, it will know what your customers want before they do. Here's how it works. A customer visits a product page. As they browse, Smart Proposals Assistant keeps an eye on their interactions, analyzes the data using predefined rules, and boom, instantly shows personalized recommendations. Fast, accurate, and seamless. Just like a good shipping assistant should be. With Smart Proposals, you can boost conversions, make customers happy, and maybe even get a few high fives from your sales team. It's the right products at the right time. No magic required. Installing the module is a walk in the park, whether you go manual or automated. Both methods require downloading the module, setting it up in Magento, and confirming it's active in the admin panel. For the full lowdown, check out the user guide. It's got all the details you need. Once installed, head to Magento admin panel, navigate to Smart Proposal settings, enable the module, and add the unique script URL from the Assistant Management panel. Don't worry, we'll get that sorted in the next steps. Now, let's move on to Shopify. Don't worry, it's just as easy. First, install the GoAI Smart Proposals module from the Shopify App Store. Then, head to your Shopify admin, then Online Store, then Themes, and finally Customize. In the theme editor, find App Embeds, locate GoAI Smart Proposals, and toggle it on. Once activated, your assistant will be live and ready to improve your Shopify store's accessibility. It's like having a shopping assistant on a standby 24/7. Now, to give your Smart Proposals assistant a bit of a makeover, log into the Assistant Management panel and head to the Configuration panel under the e-commerce Smart Proposal Assistant section. From here, you can tweak the visual elements like button color, background color, and even where you want the widget to appear on your site. Here, you can also enable AI model integration by entering the required API tokens. Don't forget to set the allowed domains and define behavior rules that determine how much user interaction is needed before the assistant makes its recommendations. Once you've done that, click Save Configuration and voila! It's time to test and see how well the assistant does its thing. Time to get into the fun stuff. The integrated analytics dashboard gives you essential insights into how users are interacting with your Smart Proposals assistant. By tracking key metrics, you can fine-tune its performance. For example, the latest recommendations section gives you the lowdown on the most recent product suggestions, why they were made, and who they were made for. You'll also get device stats, so you'll know if your users are on desktop, mobile, or tablet, and where in the world they are accessing your store from. And that's a wrap! You've seen how the Smart Proposals Assistant can take your e-commerce store to the next level with personalized, data-driven product recommendations. With simple integration into Magento 2 and Shopify, it's a total game changer for boosting conversions and keeping your customers happy. Ready to get started? Install the Smart Proposals Assistant today and watch your store shine. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and e-commerce magic. See you next time!